Now, other criteria that can be factored into the Massey and Colley methods are the notion of measuring momentum. So as the season progresses, some people believe that the games more towards the final series or the playoff series are more important. So each of these methods has 4 different ways to model that. Well, the first way is to do it like we normally do, and that is to say that each game is of uniform weight. In other words, if we use this graph to represent time on the horizontal axis, so we're heading towards 10 or 12 week series, and then the vertical axis represents the weight. So the weight of a game, it counts as one game as we progress through the season. So that's called uniform weight. Okay, linear weight is where we assign a linear equation with a gradient. The steeper the gradient, the more weight is given at the end of the season. So in both methods you will have an opportunity to put in a gradient if you wish to use a linear system. You can also use a log system such that the weights increase as you get towards the end of the season, but they don't increase as much as a linear system. And then finally, I think the most popular method is an interval weighting system where we break the season up into intervals. In the case of this picture, I've made it simply just the first half of the season and the second half of the season. And we might say that the first half of the season, the games are only worth half a game, and then the games at the end of the season are worth one full game. So that's an attempt to model momentum. Thank you.